Okay, so I'm going to show you the problems I found with this SodaStream machine. First of all, it does have the piece in it. It does have the nitrogen tank in it, which is pretty heavy. Without the nitrogen tank in it, this thing weighs about, I don't know, a couple of ounces. Trying to get the cover back on, it just doesn't, you know, go on simply or easily, like it just doesn't. It's pretty cheaply made. Like, I don't even think I can get it on there right. It took me a while to get it on the first time. You can see it's still not on all the way. So let's try it without that piece on, because that obviously isn't easy to use. The biggest problem I found with the SodaStream was that it really didn't bubble my water very well. And it's just really cheaply made. So you're supposed to tilt this piece up and then insert this tube into the bottle. Well, when you're holding the bottle with one hand, it's pretty hard to twist on. You have to keep moving your hand around to get it on there. And that bottle's not light. If you're an elderly person with arthritis, you're going to have some problems. Now, they say that you can make the water more bubbly with really cold water. So in this case, I'm not using cold water, but I have tried it with cold water before. You hold it down for bubbly water about five times, 2 seconds about each. So and then to remove it, you tip this up, and again, you have that weird twisting motion with one hand. If you try to do it with both hands, basically the whole machine kind of starts moving around.